Follow the steps on how to make an organic pattern like this in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. First, go to Filter, Render, and select Clouds. Go back to Filter, Other, and add a high pass. Here I use a radius of 10 pixels. Now go to Image, Adjustments, and select Threshold. I set the level to 128. Go back to Filters and add Gaussian Blur. Here I use a radius of 5 pixels. Next step, prepare the Actions panel. Add new set and rename. Then add a new action and click Record. Now follow what I did. Click Stop. Now click Turing Pattern and click the play button as many times as possible until the pattern is perfectly formed. Now go to Filter, Sharpen, and Unsharp Mask. You can follow these settings. You can color it via solid color or gradient. I will choose the gradient color that is available here. Change the normal mode to screen. Double-click to change the color again. Or you can also change the angle, scale, and other options available in this panel. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.